Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix laptop camera not working on Skype. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix laptop camera not working on Skype in Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Privacy. In left pane, you will find camera. Click on camera. First of all, you have to ensure that allow apps to access your camera is turned on. Now scroll down and choose app to access your camera. You have to ensure Skype app is accessible to your camera and it's turned on. Just click here to turn it on. Now scroll down again. And you have to ensure that allow desktop apps to access your camera is turned on. Hope this fix will solve your issue. If your camera is still not working on Skype, you have to go for second solution. Right click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Here you will find camera. Expand it. And this is the camera driver. Just right click on it and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. You can restart now or you can restart later. Now click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. If camera not appear here, do it again. Click on action. Click on scan for hardware changes. Now close device manager. Just you need to restart your computer. Click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved. If your camera is still not working, you have to go for third solution. In search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. In command prompt, you have to run all these commands and I will give you all commands in description so that you can copy from there. Just paste here. On the last command, just press enter. Now close command prompt. Hope this fix will solve your issue. If your camera is still not working, you have to go for last solution and final solution. In search, type regedit. Right click on registry editor. Click on run as administrator. Registry editor has been opened. Now expand HK local machine. Expand software. Now scroll down. The last one, wuauserv node. Expand it. And then here expand Microsoft. Now scroll down. Select Windows Media Foundation. Just expand it. And here you will find platform. In platform, right click on empty area. Go to new and click on DOR 32-bit value. Now type the name EnableFrameServerMode. enable frame server mode. Now right click on it and click on modify, and the value data will be 0. Okay, now click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer to update the registry settings. Click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your camera or webcam is working to your particular apps. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.